Appreciate it. Welcome to the
Thank you,
stage.
thank you.
George, what do we have for Amy?
Not just one prize, Amy. We've got a new refrigerator, a computer, and a vanity. First, this 4-door Energy Star certified smart refrigerator features a water dispenser, dual auto ice maker, and flexible storage options. And second, this desktop computer comes with a keyboard and mouse and features a 27-inch display, 16 gigabytes of memory, 256 gigabytes of storage, and a webcam. An external hard drive with 8 terabytes of storage is included. And finally, this vanity table features an angled desk and an arched mirror with an LED frame. A padded stool is included. Plus, this makeup collection from Artis includes 5 rose gold brushes, 1 acrylic brush holder, and a collection of 8 colorful pressed powder eyeshadow quads. Take it away, Drew!
Thank you, Manuela. Thank you, Rachel. The game is called One Wrong Price. So we have 3 prices. One of them is wrong. Is the wrong price the refrigerator, $4,199, the computer at $3,490, or the vanity at $1,732?
Vanity? Fridge? Computer? We're gonna go computer, Drew.
Computer. Okay, Rachel Reynolds. If the computer is anything but $3,490, she wins all 3 prizes. Let's see it. Un, deux, trois. Yes. Go on over there.